These all look similar, but they sound different and have different definitions. Though, through, throughout, tough, thought, thorough. I know, English spelling and pronunciation make no sense. I feel you. But I need to give you a chance to practice, so I have a test for you with 12 questions. Please let me know your score in the comments. Did you get 12 correct out of 12? Or maybe just 8 correct out of 12? I'm always happy to see that people have taken my test. My name's Arnell. Let's start. Number 1, though. Though, though. The O-U-G-H sounds like go, show, Joe, like the man's name. Definition: an informal way to say although. This word means but or however. It's used to give contrast. Though I didn't study for the test, I did very well. You can see a contrast. Didn't study, but did very well? Yes, you can switch the clauses around. I'll change it a little bit. I did very well on the test, though I didn't study. Lonnie works a part-time job, though he's only 15. There's a contrast here. 15 years old, but works part-time? That's not common. Yes, although is also correct, but again, though is just less formal. In a casual conversation, though often goes at the end of a short sentence. My boss said he can't pay me until next week. It's not a problem, though. But it's not a problem. Sorry, I'm not available on the 15th. I'm available on the 16th, though. But I'm available on the 16th. Number 2, through. Through, through. The O-U-G-H sounds like you, new, blue, the ooh sound. Definition: in one side and out the other. The ball went through the window. Look through these binoculars. What do you see? We drove through a tunnel. So we can literally go through something, but it doesn't have to be something physical. I'm halfway through my homework. This means from the start to the end. I'm in the middle. I'm halfway. Are we halfway through this lesson? Not quite. Number 3, throughout. Throughout. The through part is the same as number 2. It sounds like you, new, blue, ooh. Throughout means everywhere, in all places, or the whole time. Let's compare. There are cameras throughout the building, everywhere. You'll find the present perfect tense throughout this news article, everywhere. There was mold throughout the old house, in all places. And mold is that greenish black stuff that can grow on your food or even on your walls in your house. The whole time. Imagine a movie is 2 hours long. The people behind us kept talking throughout the movie. I was nervous throughout the entire interview. I checked my emails throughout the day. 4, tough. Tough. The O-U-G-H is pronounced uff, like stuff or enough. Definition: strong, doesn't break easily, or difficult. Denim is a tough material. You can wear a pair of jeans for years. If you want to be in business, you need to be tough. So tough can be physical, or it can describe your personality. You need to be strong. You need to be tough. Difficult. English spelling is tough to learn. Native speakers also struggle with spelling. Struggle is such a great verb. It's a verb which means something is difficult to do. I'm really struggling with English grammar. This is difficult. Ugh, I'm struggling to open this pickle jar. It's tough moving to a new country with a new language. Would you rather have $1 million now or get $10 million 25 years from now? I think this is a tough decision. Number 5, thought. Thought. The O-U-G-H-T sounds like not. Hot. Bought. Definition, think, thought, thought. You can see that thought is a past tense of think. What are you doing here? I thought you had a meeting at 3. We thought the movie was boring. I'm making my grandma jam for her 80th birthday. That's a nice thought. She'll love it. Here you can see thought is being used as a noun. That works too. Last but not least, number 6, thorough. Thorough. It's like this, thorough. The O-U-G-H sounds like O, as in no, go, Joe. Definition, to do something completely, carefully, and with attention to every detail. She did a thorough job cleaning the kitchen. It was spotless. Spotless is a great adjective. It means super clean. There are no dirty spots. When was the last time your kitchen was spotless? We need to be thorough when reviewing the contract. We can't make a decision until we've done a thorough investigation. Are you ready for a mini review? Though I was tired, I kept working. Through. My dog squeezed through the hole in the fence. Throughout. It rained throughout the day. Tough. Finding an apartment in New York City is tough. Thought. Mabel is your sister? I thought she was just a friend of yours. Thorough. Sam did a thorough job organizing the files. Okay, let's do one small activity before the test. I have 6 words here. I'm going to say a word and you need to select which one I said. If I'm going too quickly, just pause the lesson. Okay, are you ready? First one. Tough. Thought. Through. Though. Throughout. And last one, thorough. Test time. For today's test, I want you to complete 2 conversations. Complete each space with a word from today's lesson. Only one answer is possible per space. Conversation number 1 is between a father and a son on a train. Pause the lesson to do this. Let me read the conversation for you so you can double check and listen to that pronunciation. Do you think our train will go through another tunnel? I don't think so. There aren't any mountains around here. How many do you think we've seen throughout our journey? I haven't really been counting. Maybe 5 or so? You said 6 earlier, though. 5, 6, I really don't know. I thought you enjoyed counting the tunnels with me. I do, but it's tough counting tunnels and trying to work at the same time. Are you almost finished your work? I'll be done soon. I just have to do another thorough check of everything so there aren't any minor mistakes. Okay, let's move on to conversation number 2. Conversation number 2 is between 2 friends. One of the friends was recently at the movies. Pause the lesson to do this. And now let's check our answers together. I had to ask someone to please stop talking during the movie. She made multiple calls throughout the first half of the movie. Was she annoyed that you told her to be quiet? I couldn't tell. It was really dark. She stopped making calls, though. It's tough confronting a member of the public. It makes me uncomfortable. I know, but I thought if her conversations are annoying me, they'll also be annoying other people. Did you see her after the movie? You won't believe this. When the lights came on, she said, "Oh my God, my phone fell through the gap between the seats. Can someone help me get it?" Karma. Yeah, well, a few members of the staff came in, and after a thorough search of the seating area, she remembered that she had put her phone in her bag. How did you do on the test? There were 12 gaps. Did you get 12 correct out of 12? Maybe 9 correct out of 12. It doesn't matter what your score is. The most important thing is that you keep trying to think in English, which is what you're doing when you do the review activities at the end of my lessons. Keep practicing, keep trying, even if you get a few answers wrong. No problem. I really hope this lesson helped you with though, through, throughout, tough, and the other words I can't remember right now. I hope this lesson helped you. I can't wait to make another lesson for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!